Today I'm going to be making a recipe that I've been making a lot lately, and it's no-knead bread. You really need this in your life. 500 grams of either plain all-purpose or bread flour, preferably bread flour, and 2 teaspoons of good old-fashioned salt. We need some flavour. There's 1 and a bit. 5 grams of instant dried yeast going in. 300 mils of tepid water. Tepid water just means slightly warm to the touch. Just keep mixing until all the flour goes. This is the only work you have to do for this bread. Let it come together. I'm going to cover this with cling film. So here's my dough in the top of my fridge. I'm going to leave it there for the next 12 hours or so. So this is my dough from yesterday. This is it here. We need quite a lot of flour. Bring it out and place it onto this baking parchment. Shape it into a reasonable loaf shape. We're going to leave it at room temperature for half an hour while we're waiting for our dish to heat up in the oven. An everyday casserole dish. Pop this in the oven, gas mark 7 for half an hour with the lid on until it heats up. Take your pot out of the oven. Take your bread and pop it inside the pot. Your lid back on, then place it back in the oven, gas mark 7, 40 minutes with the lid on. So this is my bread. It went in the oven for an extra 15 minutes with the lid off. Take it out, turn it over, and it needs slightly longer. I'm going to put it in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. And this is what it sounds like after an extra 10 minutes upside down. It's hollow, and that's what we're looking for. There is my bread. I've just got to wait for it to cool now.